Hi everybody, this is Judy at Judy in the Kitchen. Today we're talking about sunflower seeds, and I have a list of tips and ideas that are helpful when you're looking for something different to do with sunflower seeds. This list is very long. I broke it up into 3 parts. This is part 2, and I'll have a link to the other parts below in the description box. Make sure you check out all 3 videos so you can get the entire list. Why not add some sunflower seeds to your favorite veggie burgers? This will give it a little added crunch in there and some added nutritional benefit as well. Sprinkle sunflower seeds on top of your favorite casseroles. Add sunflower seeds to baked goods like quick breads and muffins. Why not make some sunflower seed butter? Make it yourself. It's better than what you can buy in the store when you make it yourself. Use it as a dip or a topping for apples, banana slices, celery, bell peppers, carrot sticks, nut butter sandwiches, and even spread it on toast. Why not add some ground sunflower seeds to smoothies? Sunflower seeds can be used in pestos in place of pine nuts. Why not? Why not sprinkle some sunflower seeds as a garnish on creamy soups like cream of potato or cream of broccoli or tomato soup? Sprinkle some sunflower seeds on tacos for a little added crunch. How about sprinkling some sunflower seeds on yogurt or ice cream? You can even make a pie with some sunflower seeds, and I have a link to a recipe for that on my blog post. I'll do my best to try to remember to put that in the description box below. It's not from my own website, but I thought it was a good recipe, so I wanted to include that link in here for you. Again, this is part 2. Stay tuned for part 3. I do hope this helps. Bye for now.